Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to show you how to fold a dog using a square piece of paper. The materials you will need are a square piece of paper and a black marker. Let's get started! This is a square origami paper. All four sides are the same length. We're going to flip the paper over so the white side is facing up. If your origami paper is the same color on both sides, you don't need to flip it. Now we're going to bring the right side corner in front of you. To do this, place your right finger on the top right corner and your left finger on the bottom left corner. Then gently rotate the paper. Next, match the bottom corner with the top corner. Pick up the bottom corner, lift the paper up, and match it with the top corner. Once the corners are aligned, hold them with one hand and press down gently with your fingers to crease the fold. Use two fingers to press down. Go to the right and then to the left. Make sure to press firmly along the folded edge. This is called making a crease. Now the square has become a triangle. Can you see how the top and bottom corners are matched? And the two sides are lined up perfectly. This kind of triangle is called an isosceles triangle because two sides are the same length. Now place your fingers on the right and left corners. Turn the triangle upside down. You will see that the bottom corner opens up like this. Let's fold the right corner down. Pick up the corner, but instead of folding it in, fold it down like this. Hold it in place with one finger and press with your other finger. Now do the same with the left corner. Pick it up and fold it down, not inward. Hold it with one finger and press with the other. Finally, fold up the bottom corner. Pick it up. Bring it up. And press along the bottom edge. Now take your black marker and draw two eyes. You can draw happy happy eyes, sad eyes, or even make your own creative version. Then color in the small triangle at the bottom to make a nose. You can also use crayons or colored pencils if you like. Here is your origami dog. This is one of the easiest origami projects. I've done this with my 3 and 4-year-old students at school, and they really enjoyed it. Once they learned how to do it, some of them made one dog after another, so you might want to prepare some extra paper ahead of time. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.